As a sales manager, closing opportunities with Odoo Sales is really simple. I selected a predefined quotation for a new product line offer. The products, the service details are already in the quotation. Of course, I can adapt the offer to fit my client's needs. The interface is really smooth. I can add references, some catchy phrases such as closing triggers. For example, save $500 if you sign the quote within 15 days. I have a beautiful and modern design. This will help me close my opportunities more easily. Plus, reviewing the offer from a mobile phone is easy. Really easy. The customer got a clear quotation with a table of content. We can communicate easily. I identified an upselling opportunity. So, I adapt the offer by adding more products. When the offer is ready, the customer just needs to sign it online in just a few clicks. Odoo Sales is integrated with major shipping services such as UPS, FedEx, USPS, and more. That's it. I successfully sold my products in just a few clicks thanks to Odoo Sales. Oh, I also have the transaction and communication history at my fingertips. It's easy for every stakeholder to clearly know the past interaction. Anytime, I can get an in-depth report of my sales activity, revenue by salespeople or department, revenue by category of product, drilled down to specific products by quarter or month. I like this report. I can add it to my dashboard in just a click. Odoo Sales is a powerful yet easy-to-use app. At first, I used the Sales Planner. Thanks to it, I got tips and tricks to boost my sales performance. Try Odoo Sales now and get beautiful quotations, amazing dashboards, and increase your success rate.